friends, very good morning. Let us continue the lesson. On to the summit, we reach the top. We are on page number 17 and the title is Indian flag. In last period, we have seen Tenzing Norgay took three different flags with him to hoist on the summit of the Mount Everest, and he also took one more, and that is India's flag. When he took the permission of Colonel Hunt about taking Indian flag, Colonel Hunt said, "By all means, I am glad to know that you bought an Indian flag." Means he showed his happiness because there was great respect about India in the heart of Colonel Hunt. These people are great. Of course, their heart also is very great. So they showed very good respect about India. इंडिया के बारे में उनको बहुत रिस्पेक्ट था. इसीलिए कर्नल हंट को भी वो अच्छा लगा कि उसने इंडिया का भी फ्लैग उधर ऊपर लेके गए, उधर उसका होइस्ट करने के लिए, वो प्लांट करने के लिए, लगाने के लिए लेके गए. After 1 hour of steady going, we cut across from the south face and started up the west side, where we had to pass up a steep line of rocks. This was slow and difficult. Once we had cleared this, there was nothing barring our way to top but a snow-covered incline, sloping less and less as it neared the top. So they started their climbing, and after an hour, they changed their direction. They were climbing at south face, but now they changed their direction and now they started at the west side, where they met a steep line of rocks. A steep line of rock means rock is in a straight line. It means the slope is very less. Let us see the picture. Look there. We are seeing in the picture there is a steep line of the rock. Not much slope is there, that is called a steep line of rocks, and climbing such type of steep rock, it is very difficult, and that's why their speed became very slow, and that become very difficult work for them, but still they became successful. वो स्टीप रॉक था, उसके स्लोपिंग जब कम रहता है तो उसको हम स्टीप रॉक बोलते हैं. तो ऐसे पर्वत पर चढ़ना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है और अपना स्पीड भी कम हो जाता है. Once we had cleared this, means once they passed that rock, there was nothing barring our way to top. Once they covered that area, that distance, definitely there was nothing that could bar their way to top. Nothing barring our way means nothing was there that would become an obstacle to them, but a snow covered incline. But there was only one problem, and that was snow covered incline. Let us see the snow covered incline we are seeing in the picture. Snow covered incline means there is a slope, but that slope is snowy slope. So when the slope is snowy, it is very difficult to climb up. There was nothing barring our way to top but a snow covered incline. Incline means taint or the influence, that curve, sloping less and less as it neared the top. When they reached near the top, the slope became less and less. It means the incline was very steep. These last 60 or 70 feet up the top were not very dangerous. Last 60 or 70 feet up the top, that distance was not very dangerous, but we kept up the same steady pace. Whatever their earlier pace means speed was there, the same speed they continued, though in the last 70 feet up the top was not dangerous, but the same speed they kept. लास्ट 70 फीट पे ज़्यादा कुछ डेंजरस कुछ नहीं था, फिर भी उन्होंने वही स्पीड रखा. एंड वी रीच्ड द स्मॉल फ्लैटेंड समिट ऑलमोस्ट टुगेदर. देन दे रीच्ड अ very small flattened summit. How was the summit of Mount Everest? It was very small area. Look in the picture. We are getting the small area, the topmost part of the Mount Everest. It was flattened, means plain, very small area. But that was flattened and they reached almost together on that summit. दोनों एक साथ एक ही टाइम पे दोनों ही ऊपर पहुंच गए. During the last 50 feet from the peak, Hillary and I were moving about 20 feet apart. In the last 50 feet, the distance between them, it was approximately 20 feet. दोनों के बीच में कितना अंतर था? 20 feet का. We were tied together with a rope. Though there was 20 feet distance, still they both of them were tied together with a rope. रोप से दोनों एक दूसरे से बंधे हुए थे. Most of the time the rope was loose. Most of the time the rope became loose. Why? Because the distance was less. So automatically the rope gets loose. जब दोनों में डिस्टेंस कम रहता है तो ऑटोमेटिकली जो बीच में डोरी रहती है, रोप रहती है, वो तो लूज ही हो जाएगी. बट व्हेन वी वेंट ओवर डेंजरस ग्राउंड वी ड्रू इट टाउट. बट वेन एवर देर इज अ डेंजरस ग्राउंड दैट रोप पुल्ड टाइट. टाउट मीन्स पुल्ड टाइट. दोनों के बीच में डोरी मतलब खींची जाती थी. जब डेंजरस पार्ट आता था. दिस रोप वॉज अ सिंबल. ऑफ कोर्स द रोप वॉज अ सिंबल. इट टाइड अस टुगेदर. सिंबल ऑफ टुगेदरनेस. देर वॉज अ रोप बिटवीन देम and rope is the symbol of unity, symbol of togetherness. There was the rope and that rope always kept them together. This rope tied us together. So whatever happened with them, it was happening with both of them. One could not move without the other. They were walking simultaneously. If one would stop, the another also had to stop there. So one could not move without the other. We were not two individuals but a team. Let us see. Here, this point is very important. Tenzing Norgay said, we were not two individuals, we were not separate. We were all together always, all the time. We were not two individuals, but we were a team. It means there was great unity between them. There was great sharing between them, and that's why they became successful. दोनों में बहुत एक दूसरे के प्रति यूनिटी थी. इसकी वजह से ही वो अच्छे से शेयरिंग करते थे, एक दूसरे को अच्छे से मेंटल सपोर्ट देते थे. इफ टीम इज देयर वी आर गेटिंग लॉट ऑफ मेंटल सपोर्ट एंड मेंटल सपोर्ट helps us to become successful. I have been asked many times who was first. Many times I got the questions from the people, from the society, who was the first. दोनों में से पहले कौन ऊपर चढ़ा. When we were within reach of the summit, when we were near the summit, reach of the summit means near the summit, I did not think of who was going to be first. When we reached near the summit, when we reached near the top, even not a single thought came in my mind that who was going to be first on the summit. Not such mean thought came in my mind. ऐसा क्षुल्लक थॉट मेरे मन में कभी आ ही नहीं सकता था, बिकॉज दैट वॉज नॉट द मैटर दैट हु वुड बी द फर्स्ट क्लाइंबर. That is mean thought, that is trivial thought, because we were not separate, we were a team. I did not think of who was going to be first. I am sure that Hillary was not thinking that. As I was thinking we were a team, the same way I am sure that Hillary also was thinking the same way. Climbing takes all your attention, because whenever we are climbing it requires your great attention. If you are thinking like this, means thinking of the difference, making difference, that who would be the first, so this is a mean thought. If you are wasting your energy in such mean thought or trivial thought, how you can become successful then? अगर हम ऐसा सोचेंगे कि वो पहले ऊपर जाएगा या मैं जाएगा, तो हम कैसे ऊपर पहुंच सकते हैं? ये बहुत क्षुद्र विचार है, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर ऐसा है तो हम कभी ग्रेट काम नहीं कर पाएंगे. सो ही सेड climbing require great attention. You have many more important worries. So this is mean thought. We don't have time to think on this trivial thought. The thought or the question which was asked me by the people who was the first, that was trivial thought for both of us. ऐसा सवाल हम दोनों के लिए बहुत ट्रिवियल था, क्षुल्लक था, कम विचार बुद्धि का एक काम है. तो ऐसी सोच हम कभी नहीं रख सकते हैं. तो ऐसी सोच के बारे में हमको भी बहुत अवेयर होना है. अगर हमको बड़ा होना है तो ऐसा कंपैरिजन कभी नहीं करना है, आगे पीछे नहीं. कंपैरिजन हमेशा खुद से चाहिए. ओके, विल सी. व्हाट डज इट मैटर वेदर आई रीच्ड द टॉप फर्स्ट और हिलरी? लेट अस सी. ही रेज्ड अ क्वेश्चन. what does it matter? Means if the Hillary would be the first or I would reach on the summit, it will not make any matter. The matter is both of them become successful. What does it matter whether I reached the top first or Hillary? It will not make any difference. Our main thought was that both of us reached the top. This was the main thought. Means because they were team. In the previous para, Tenzing Norgay said we were team. We were not individuals. So what it would make a matter? Does it make a matter if anyone would reach first on the summit? Our main thought was that both of us reached the top. We had to, whatever happened, we have to reach on the top. One couldn't do it alone. And really, we both of us were aware that it was not possible without the help of each other. If there had been a difference of 1,000 feet between us, then one could make the claim that he was first. There was the difference approximately. Sometimes there was difference of 20 feet only. It is very common difference. If there had been a difference of 1,000 feet, then one could ask such type of question that who would be the first. But there is no space to this question now. But even then, only the man behind him could confirm the distance between the two of them. How it is possible? To get the difference, there should be a man behind him to confirm the distance between the two of them. ये डिस्टेंस तय करने के लिए अपने पीछे भी तो कोई होना चाहिए ना. अगर दोनों के बीच में 1,000 फीट से ज़्यादा नहीं तो उतना डिफरेंस है, तो कौन पहले ऊपर पहुंचा, ये सवाल कुछ मायना रखता है। अदरवाइज 20 फीट के लिए कौन पहले ऊपर पहुंचा ये सवाल मायना नहीं रखता है। और टेंजिंग ने और एक बात क्लियर की है कि हम दोनों टीम हैं, हम इंडिविजुअल है ही नहीं, तो ऐसा सवाल लोग हमसे कैसे कर सकते हैं कि कौन पहले पहुंचा। हाँ? देखो ये यूनिटी, दिस इज यूनिटी, ये यूनिटी की बात है, ये यूनिटी है तभी हम सक्सेसफुल हो जाते हैं। नेक्स्ट वी विल सी, when we reached Kathmandu, we discovered that a controversy had arisen. Controversy means prolonged public disagreement or heated discussion. Controversy, difference in opinion. डिफरेंट ओपिनियंस मिलते हैं ना समाज में, उसको हम कंट्रोवर्सी बोलते हैं। डिफरेंट युक्तिवाद करते हैं लोग, आर्गुमेंट करते हैं, अपोजिट आर्गुमेंट्स करते हैं, उसको हम कंट्रोवर्सी बोलते हैं। सो आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग दिस एक्सपेडिशन, व्हेन दे रीच्ड काठमांडू, दे डिस्कवर्ड दैट देयर वाज ग्रेट कंट्रोवर्सी टेकिंग दिस फैक्ट। इसको लेकर बहुत सारी कंट्रोवर्सी पब्लिक में चल रही थी। सो वी ऑल थ्री कम टुगेदर, थ्री मीन्स टेंजिंग नॉर्गे, हिलरी and Colonel Hunt. We talked it over. We come together and we talked it over. We discussed this on this controversy. Hillary, Colonel Hunt, and I, this trio. We agreed that all the talk was childish, and when we discussed this matter, we all three come on the same point, and the point was, whatever was the controversy was just a childish thing, a childish matter. It means that was not a matter in our life, that was not important thing in our life. So of course we neglected that controversy. So we made a pact, but for the legal process, we had to make a pact. Pact means treaty. Treaty means agreement. They made an agreement, legal agreement, a written agreement about this controversy, so that no one would take the benefit of this, because many more people are there. They are taking lot of interest in the controversy or to raise such type of controversy. सो दे मेड अ पैक्ट, दे मेड एन अग्रीमेंट। अग्रीमेंट रहता है ना, हिस्ट्री में भी हमने बहुत बार अग्रीमेंट देखा है ना, वॉइस रॉयस अग्रीमेंट, गांधीयन अग्रीमेंट, पूना अग्रीमेंट, इतिहास में हमने देखे ना ऐसे बहुत सारे तह रहते हैं। और अभी भी हम देखते हैं, जैसे टू प्राइम मिनिस्टर एक दूसरे से मिलते हैं तो बहुत सारे बातों पे अग्रीमेंट हो जाता है, तह हो जाता है। तो ऐसे एक अग्रीमेंट हुआ तीनों के बीच, वो दोनों के बीच में। ईच ऑफ अस साइन्ड इट, दे साइन्ड दैट अग्रीमेंट। विदाउट साइन देयर इज नो मीनिंग टू द अग्रीमेंट। ईच ऑफ अस साइन्ड इट इन द ऑफिस ऑफ द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ नेपाल। नेपाल के प्राइम मिनिस्टर के ऑफिस में हमने साइन किया। ईच वन साइन्ड हिज ओन स्टेटमेंट। आई हैव अ कॉपी ऑफ हिलरी स्टेटमेंट विच आई कैरी इन माई पॉकेट। So I had with me Hillary's agreement and I kept it in my pocket. It reads, Kathmandu, June 22, 1953. So let us see the agreement made by Hillary. On May 29th, Tenzing Sherpa and I left our high camp on Mount Everest for our attempt on the summit. In this agreement, he said, 29th May, Tenzing Sherpa and I left our high camp on Mount Everest for our attempt on the summit. As we climbed upward to the south summit, first one and then the other would take a turn at leading. As they started their climbing, and when they were to the south summit, sometimes Hillary was in the leading position, while at sometimes Tenzing Norgay was in the leading position. It means both of them were changing the places. First one and then the other would take a turn at leading. मीन्स कभी वो आगे जाता था तो कभी टेंजिंग आगे जाता था. We crossed over the south summit and moved along the summit. Moved along the summit ridge. They crossed the south summit, south area. They covered the south summit and then moved along the summit ridge. Ridge means a long narrow piece of raised land, steep area. So they reached the summit ridge, which is a very narrow piece, raised land. It is not sloping land, but raised land. It means steep area. We reached the summit almost together. Almost together means at the same time both of them reached on the summit. Then I took photograph of Tenzing holding aloft the flag of Great Britain, Nepal, the United Nations and India. After that, he said, I took photograph of Tenzing. Hillary took the photograph of Tenzing. Tenzing holding aloft. Aloft means in the sky. He held 4 flags in the sky, standing on the summit. The flags of Great Britain, नेपाल, यूनाइटेड नेशन एंड इंडिया. नॉर्गे ने ऊपर चढ़ने के बाद सभी 4 देशों के फ्लैग्स उन्होंने ऊपर पकड़े थे और उसके हिलरी ने उसका फोटो लिया था. सो दैट स्टेटमेंट वाज साइन्ड बाय एडमंड पी हिलरी. उन्होंने वो एग्रीमेंट करके उसके ऊपर साइन भी किया. देयर इज अनदर पेपर लाइक दिस इन इंग्लिश साइन्ड बाय मी. As the Hillary made an agreement, the same way Tenzing Norgay also made an agreement, and it was signed by me, means it was signed by Tenzing Norgay, and that agreement was in English. Thus, we will not take part in any controversy. So they decided that not a single one would take part in the controversy. If the people would provoke us about this topic, but we decided whatever happened, we would avoid such type of controversy. As the statement says, Hillary and I embraced when we reached the top, because there was a statement in the agreement, and that statement itself stopped the matter of controversy. How? Let us see the statement. Hillary and I embraced when we reached the top. Both of them embraced each other. Embraced each other means hugged each other. दोनों एक दूसरे से गले मिल गए. जब वो दोनों ऊपर पहुंचे, दोनों एक दूसरे से गले मिल गए. It means what? Both of them reached almost all together. Of course. So this is the sentence that stops any type of controversy. We did as well as our bulky equipments would let us. Yes, and we did it. Means we become successful. Bulky equipments, bulky means very heavy equipments were there, and because of this we become successful. I remember saying to him, I remember the statement when I said to him after reaching on the summit, and the statement is here, we have done it. मैंने बोला था उसको कि yes, हमने करके दिखाया. But we couldn't hear, we had our oxygen mask on. I said, but we couldn't hear each other because oxygen mask on. There was an oxygen mask, so they could not hear each other. First thought. Now, when they reached on the summit, what was the first thought came in the mind of Tenzing Norgay? वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एक्सप्रेशन। ऊपर चढ़ने के बाद पहला कौन सा थॉट उसके माइंड में आ गया? जैसे हम सक्सेसफुल होते हैं ना, तो अपने को फर्स्ट फीलिंग क्या होती है वो इधर शेयर की है। माई फर्स्ट थॉट ऑन रीचिंग द टॉप वॉज अ सेंस ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड टू गॉड। फर्स्ट थॉट वॉज सेंस ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड टू गॉड। पहले मैंने आपको बोला था इसके लिए सोल पावर चाहिए। इफ यू आर यूजिंग सोल पावर, डेफिनेटली यू कांट फॉरगेट टू से थैंक टू द गॉड। अगर हम में सोल पावर है, हम सोल पावर यूज़ करते हैं, तो हमको इनफाइनाइट पावर का रिमेम्बरेंस ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाता है। और इनफाइनाइट पावर कौन सी है? ऑफकोर्स द गॉड। वो गॉड, ईश्वरी ताकत जो है वो इनफाइनाइट है, अमर्यादित ताकत है, जो ख़त्म नहीं होती है, जो एक्स्ट्रॉर्डिनरी वर्क है। इसके लिए ये पावर अपने को होनी ही चाहिए। इसलिए फर्स्ट थॉट केम इन हिज माइंड एंड दैट इज द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड टुवर्ड्स द गॉड। उसके माइंड में परमेश्वर, भगवान ईश्वर के प्रति धन्यवाद की फीलिंग आ गई। देखो कितनी हम्बल फीलिंग है ना, और रियल फीलिंग है। उसने भगवान का आभार माना। दैट आफ्टर हैविंग फेल्ड 6 times, let us say 6 times he made efforts to reach onto the summit, but he failed in 6 times, and this time he became successful. This time he became successful. He had blessed me with fulfillment of this desire I had held so long. This desire had been in his heart for a long period of time, and to fulfill this desire he took 6 efforts, but in those 6 efforts he became unsuccessful. This time he became successful, and it is of course because of the blessings of the God. Tenzing Norgay said. टेंजिंग नॉर्गे इधर एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, अपने खुद को एक्सप्लेन करते हैं कि 6 times मैंने प्रयास किया लेकिन मैं अनसक्सेसफुल रहा, लेकिन इस टाइम मुझे भगवान का आशीर्वाद मिल गया था। उसकी इनफाइनाइट पावर मेरे साथ थी। वाई? बिकॉज आई यूज्ड माई सोल पावर, क्योंकि मैंने मेरी सोल पावर को यूज़ किया था। टेंजिंग का एक सेंटेंस है ना, आई वॉज रेडी टू डाई। So there was no fear in him. When we use soul power, we always remain out of fear, and that my desire be fulfilled by the blessings of the God. I placed on the summit the offerings to God that I had carried with me. When I reached onto the summit, I offered something to the God on the top of the mountain. जो मैंने मेरे साथ लाया था, वो जो ऑफरिंग, जैसे वी ऑफर फ्लावर्स टू द गॉड, द सेम वे ही ऑल्सो ऑफर्ड समथिंग प्रीशियस टू द गॉड ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द माउंटेन। माउंटेन के ऊपर उन्होंने जो उसको बहुत प्यारा था वो उधर उसने ऑफर किया, भगवान को दे दिया, जो बहुत प्यारा था। अभी कौन सी चीज़ उसको बहुत प्यारी थी? देखो, दिस इज इन अकॉर्ड विथ माई रिलीजन। लेट अस सी द मीनिंग ऑफ अकॉर्ड। अकॉर्ड मीन्स अग्रीमेंट और बी हार्मोनियस। दिस इज इन अकॉर्ड विथ माई रिलीजन मीन्स आई वॉज हार्मोनियस विथ माई रिलीजन। आई वॉज हार्मोनियस विथ माई रिलीजन। देखो हमारा जो धर्म रहता है उसके प्रति हम कितने मिलजुल जाते हैं ना, हार्मोनियस बन जाते हैं, मतलब मिलजुल कर रहते हैं। वो धर्म की जो फीलिंग रहती है वो हमारे खून में आ जाती है, हमारे सोच में आ जाती है ना। तो कुछ तो देना है भगवान को, दैट वॉज माई रिलीजन, है ना। हम ऐसा मानते हैं ना, जैसे हम सक्सेसफुल हो जाते हैं तो अपने आप हम भगवान को याद करते हैं। जो भगवान को मानते हैं तो भगवान उनके खून में रहता है, तो वो उसके पर्सनालिटी का पार्ट एंड पार्सल बन जाता है। तो इसको बोले हैं इन अकॉर्ड विथ माई रिलीजन। वॉज हारमोनियस विथ माई रिलीजन. दिस ये मेरी फेथ थी, मेरी श्रद्धा थी कि मुझे भगवान को कुछ देना था, क्योंकि ये मेरा मानना था कि ये सक्सेस भगवान के आशीर्वाद के बिना ये पॉसिबल नहीं था. इसलिए दिस इज इन अकॉर्ड विथ माई रिलीजन. बोथ माई वाइफ एंड आई आर बुद्धिस्ट. बोथ माई वाइफ एंड आई आर बुद्धिस्ट. हम दोनों ही बुद्धिस्ट थे, बुद्धि थे. आई कुड नॉट knee because of my clothes and equipment. I could not put my knee down because my clothes and equipments, heavy equipments were there and clothes were tight. So it was not possible to me to make my knee or to put my knee down. But I offered a silent prayer in my heart. I offered in my mind great prayer टू द गॉड. मैं नीचे बैठ के प्रार्थना नहीं कर सकता था, लेकिन माइंड में ही मेडिटेट करके, खुद को कंसंट्रेट करके मैंने भगवान को प्रार्थना की, भगवान को धन्यवाद दिया, भगवान का शुक्रिया अदा किया. द ऑफरिंग्स वेयर बिस्किट्स. नाउ व्हाट मोर आई ऑफर्ड देयर ऑन टू द समिट. आई ऑफर्ड बिस्किट्स, candy and a little blue pencil. Perhaps you may laugh reading these words, biscuits, candy and little blue pencil. He offered biscuit, candy and little blue pencil. Let us see the mountaineers who were climbing. Biscuit means food is very, very precious to them. So biscuit is very precious thing for them. So they offered that biscuit, candy and little blue pencil. So what is the importance of little blue pencil? Let us see. My youngest daughter Nima had given me the pencil before I left home. Before leaving home, जब मैंने घर छोड़ा था इस एक्सपीडिशन के लिए, तभी मेरे डॉटर ने, नीमा ने मुझे एक पेंसिल दिया था. जब पापा आप जब ऊपर पहुंचेंगे तो मेरा ये पेंसिल भगवान को दे देना. टॉप मोस्ट पार्ट मतलब उसका ऐसा मानना था भगवान उधर रहते हैं. हम हमेशा बोलते हैं ना भगवान ऊपर है, इसलिए उसने उसकी जो प्यारी प्यारी पेंसिल थी वो पेंसिल दी थी. अभी प्यारी क्यों हो गई थी? क्योंकि वो पेंसिल उसको प्राइज मिल गई थी. और जो अपने को प्राइज मिलता है वो अपने को बहुत प्यारा रहता है ना, लगता है ना. तो इसलिए वो प्यारी वाली पेंसिल उसने भगवान को देने के लिए उसके पापा के साथ दी थी. Nima had given me the pencil before I left home. She asked me to put it on the top of the mountain as her offering. It was an ordinary blue pencil. Ordinary मतलब वो बहुत common पेंसिल थी. Not even a long one. Even it was not the complete one, long one. But it was one of her prized possession. बहुत बड़ी भी नहीं थी, but it was prized possession. Means it was very precious. This pencil she has got as a prize. And so it was very, very precious to her. And that precious thing she had given me to offer to the God. We will see the next part in the next lesson. Okay, bye.